Magla represent. Yeah, the same one. Money we are pre for the hero. Money me are pre to your sharer.
Yo, this is your boy JoeBlack. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cooking with JoeBlack. If this is your first time on my channel, I just want to say thank you for coming by. Hope you like it enough to join the family. Click that subscription button. Alright, to my returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you guys for the continued support. Thank you for the love, and I love you guys. Alright, today I'm just doing a short update, alright, on the previous video. Alright, someone asked me, what am I giving away and why haven't I posted what I'm giving away? So today is just a quick update to show what I'll be giving away. All right, quick one. So as I said in the previous video, I'm giving away 3 gifts, so I'm just gonna go right into showing you what I'll be giving away. And first is I have a handbag, right, and I wrapped it already, so you just have to guess if it's a nice handbag or not. Well, my idea of nice was shut down by the young lady in the store that I bought it. I saw one that I really liked and she was like, nah, that doesn't look good and blah blah blah. So yeah, and she took me and she showed me a nice one, and I think that it was better than my choice initially. So yeah, that's the first one. That's a bag. All right, so that's one of the prizes. And then here we go. There you go, the perfume shop. So, and it's only the best for my subscribers, right? Only the best. All right, so if you know me, you know how much I love perfume. So I decided, why not get you guys some perfume? Someone suggested that I should get you guys something to do with cooking, something for the kitchen, but I was like, not everybody is that enthusiastic about cooking, so I decided to get something, right? So here they are, wrapped, okay? And there's a personalized ribbon on it, yeah. And it says Cooking with JoeBlack and Cali, and we would like to thank you for all the love. All right, that's what's written on it. I'm not gonna tell you what brand perfume it is. That's the surprise. All right, so whoever wins one of these perfume, all right, you have a personalized ribbon from us, so you can always keep that as a souvenir. All right, so that when we get big, when you guys blow the channel up and everyone around the world knows, because that's the intention in it, to get super big. All right, so when people all around the world knows and we get famous, you can say, yeah, I remember when I used to support him from he had like 200 subscribers, 100 subscribers. So yeah, remember, just keep the ribbon as a souvenir from us. All right, so that's it really. That's all I wanted to show you guys. These 2 weeks are just like me taking a break from the kitchen. Yeah, I've been working like really hard, like doing long hours, 11 hours, 10 hours, and I just felt tired and felt like I needed a break, but I still wanted to give you guys content, right? I still wanted to post. I didn't want to leave it and not post. All right, so this giveaway, it actually give me a chance to take 2 weeks break, all right, or 3 weeks break, but it give me a chance to take a break. And yeah, I will be back with loads of exciting contents. Right, I have like in the coming weeks, I have a few surprises for you guys. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, just click that subscription button. Right, it's totally free, all right, and you might just have a chance to win one of these prizes. I'll leave a link in the description for the previous video, right, for you to go and comment and like and share that video, right? And the entry for this video for these prizes closes Friday. So Friday is the last, right? And on Sunday I'll tell you who won. All right, so thanks again for watching. I really appreciate the love, I really appreciate the support, and I hope all of you guys are having a wonderful Sunday, and all of you are safe and in good health. Until next time, I love you guys. Walk good.